Hello, Merch by Amazon fans. We're going to go over the sales for the month of November 2020 in this video, so you want to stay tuned and see exactly what we sold in the month of November 2020. We're going to go over the Merch by Amazon sales and Etsy integration through Printful sales, so the sales also on Etsy, and there's going to be a lot to be said about that, so definitely stay tuned to that part of this video. So actually, let's just get right into it. First up, tote bags and throw pillows have opened up for my tier 2000 account. So not too incredibly excited about that. I don't really kind of sell tote bags and throw pillows with my Etsy store. That's kind of been something that hasn't really been a good seller. I would rather see, mugs and stuff like that for Merch by Amazon. But I actually think it's really cool that they're actually having different products now, along with the phone cases that opened up, a couple months ago. So tote bags and throw pillows have opened up for me. I won't be doing any of these designs for these. If you've been selling tote bags and throw pillows, leave a comment below. Change my mind. To be honest, I've tried it with Etsy and they haven't really sold. I think I sold maybe 2 pillows the entire time. I've had pillows listed on Etsy, so it's just something that I'm not interested in. But anyways, I thought that was a good thing to kind of see and talk about early on in this video. Also, so if you haven't logged into your Merch by Amazon account, I highly suggest going and see if you have throw pillows and tote bags if this is something that you're into. Let's talk about the sales for the month of November in Merch by Amazon. We sold 192 units for a total of $547. That is the US sales. We did have some other sales, European sales and Great Britain sales, 4 of those and 9 of those. We haven't had a single sale from Japan yet. We started listing Japan listings last month even without a single sale. So far, we've been using a website to translate English into Japanese. And so we are doing that and trying to be proactive with our Japanese listings, and we still haven't sold anything. So we're going to keep doing that because we basically bulk upload everything as it is. So we might as well put Japan along with the European and the Great Britain products. One kind of cool note for this last month was we sold 108 shirts. This is the first time I've ever sold over 100 of one design for a standard t-shirt. I've heard about people doing this before in the past. It's just something that has eluded me over the last 4 or 5 years that I've been doing Merch by Amazon. And so we're very excited, that we've kind of crossed that threshold. And it's just one of those things where you just keep throwing spaghetti at the wall and eventually something sticks. And this particular design stuck. And so we're pretty happy about that. Continue sales this month. This shirt is still hot this month. I think we're going to beat that 108 target for December also. So we're very excited about that. And I usually go pretty deep in a couple of niches. Some of my shops definitely have a smorgasbord of different designs. And this one has been proving to be a really good one. So I suggest, don't forget to post, every day, post at least one design on Merch by Amazon and maybe one design on Etsy, and just keep doing that. And so far, that's been a really good strategy for me, is just to create product every single day without any delay. So this actually gives us our best month we've had this year. So the hard work is paying off, and it just takes a couple of those shirts that, a couple of those designs to really take off, and you're really going to see those sales. But $547, that's the best month we've had on Merch by Amazon. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let's talk about Etsy sales. Etsy sales were pretty good for November. As we can see here, we had a total gross sale of $774. As we can see here, market fees and different types of fees and taxes was $115. This is also the best month we've had in Etsy for a long time. And I did turn off Etsy ads last month because I found out that they were taking 15% on top of the daily money that you spent on marketing. And so that was really eating away at my profits, and my profits are pretty much paper thin as it is. So that 15% was a huge percentage when I was looking at the numbers for the entire year. So I turned that off. As you can see here, there's a little bit of residual from marketing. $50 is nothing compared to what was August and September's marketing. I think that was like way over like $200. And so, I'm putting that money back into my pocket, which I'm excited about. The marketing that you see here, like I said, is just residuals from the last 2 weeks of November when I turned it off. And I also found out once you turn Etsy ads off, some of those ads are still running on Google, and people were still purchasing those shirts, and the 15% was still being taken out. So, just kind of like a word of the wise, if you do turn your stuff off, you're going to still see marketing fees because those Etsy ads. I don't know if they run all month long, or if it's just something that just once you turn your ads off, it takes a little bit of while for them to completely take the ads off, but those are still generating 15%. I've been manually doing my marketing on Twitter. I have different Twitter accounts for different niches, and that has been doing very well. My own kind of self marketing has been doing very well. So we're going to keep doing with that. Like I said, all this work of just listing every single day, posting new designs every single day, and being on Twitter and maybe posting some links like 4 or 5 times throughout the day has really been generating, lots of traffic and lots of interest and return customers on both the Etsy and the Merch by Amazon accounts. So we're very excited about that. And by the way, if you want to check out, Printful merch on demand, definitely go down there and click the link to sign up for Printful. Speaking of that affiliate link, let's talk about affiliate sales. It's been pretty dry the last couple of months with affiliate sales, and we have no commissions this week. We had a couple commissions last week that equaled about $10, as you can see there. We had a really good year last year. We had a really, high end, I guess, sign up that was just selling shirts every single day, and that's the majority of that $600 came from. This year, it's been kind of dry. All of our signups haven't been converting very well. As you can see right now, we only have 14 active customers. And you can be an active customer by going down there, clicking the link, signing up for Printful. And you can attach your eBay account to it. You can attach your Amazon.com account and your Etsy, so you can be pushing your designs to all three of those networks. And so if you're into graphic design, or if you have some designs and you want to start doing that, definitely go down there and click the link below and sign up for Printful. And there's so much stuff, even for your personal use. I make a ton of shirts for my daughter and my son, and I just use Printful, and we don't even have to go through Etsy or anything. You could just basically directly buy through Printful, so it's a really cool thing to sign up for. But anyway, still working on that, and it's not looking very good as far as the commissions this year. But like I said, it's another egg in the basket, and yeah, other than that, we're doing really good with Merch by Amazon and Etsy. So, like I said, we had a pretty good month. And let me know how your month was for November. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about Merch by Amazon or print on demand. Leave them below, and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Like I said, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler, and we'll see you next time. Take care.